Hello, my name is Melissa Gent, and I am a pink status presenter with Younique. I just want to come on here today to talk to you guys a little bit about the opportunity and how much it has changed my life. Basically, what happened in February 2016 is I decided I was going to buy some of the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. But then into looking into it, I seen the kit and I thought, for $99, I can get all that stuff, and I don't have to have any inventory. I don't have to pay a fee for my website. My website's totally free. Free training if I want to sell, and I don't have to. I'm not obligated to do anything. I could just take the kit and run. So heck yeah, I ended up with $99 of $99 kit worth over 300 and some dollars, which is amazing. So basically what I did was I kind of just rolled with it a little bit. I didn't, push it too much. I ended up, a couple months later, I started getting into it more. I started talking to the other ladies and how much it's changed their lives. I've built so many friendships, so many different ladies that I've met. I haven't met some of them in person, but you talk to them and there's a love there, there's a bond that is just, it's amazing. It's hard to explain. But there is so many things with Younique that people don't know about. There is absolutely no fees. You pick up your $99 kit, you can just walk away with it and just, be happy with all this makeup. You can do it as a hobby. You can just sell to your friends and family. You can just get a discount for yourself or your friends if you want to. And basically, you're just, you just got this nice kit and you can turn it into something huge, huge. You don't have to have parties. You don't have to have home parties. We're all based on social media. So basically, if you want to work your business on Facebook or Instagram or even Twitter, you can do that. You can do it any way that you would want to do it. But it has changed my life so much. Like I said, I've met so many ladies, and it's just amazing of the friendship that we all have for each other and the love and the care. I've always wanted something like that when, 5-10 years ago, to where I can actually just talk to somebody, besides somebody that's family, but they are my family now. And it's just so amazing, just the feel and the love. I am just so glad that I signed up for this opportunity, and I would not want to go back. This mascara right here changed my life, and it could change yours too. So if you're ever, scrolling through social media and you see some of them girls on there, their lives have really changed. That $99 kit has changed their lives completely. And like I said, I absolutely love what I do. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to message me or, follow me on Facebook, Instagram. And like I said, my name is Melissa Gent. I'm a pink status presenter, and I absolutely love what I do. I wouldn't have this confidence right now if it wasn't for that $99 kit. My life has totally changed, and I'm grateful. I'm obsessively grateful for it. Thank you for watching.